I know it looks rough right now. We're about to make this thing look pretty though. All right, guys, phone died on me while I was doing the tractor stuff, but you have a little bit of it. We got most of it done. Typically, you wouldn't want to do a food plot with a box blade, but luckily for us, it was pretty good sand. Throw and grow. We're gonna dump that in there. We don't need a whole lot. This isn't a huge food plot by any means. That ought to be enough now. Turn it up. And just like that, you got your plot covered. Follow with us.